Welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will teach you about the right method to set up ROCKSPACE Wi-Fi AC1200 extender. So on this channel we help you with installations and diagnostics related to different gadgets. So let's learn about ROCKSPACE AC1200 Wi-Fi extender browser setup first. First of all, place your extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. Now plug the extender into an electrical outlet and wait for the power LED to turn blue. Grab a phone or computer and in your Wi-Fi list, connect to ROCKSPACE_EXT Wi-Fi network name. On your cell phone, ensure that the mobile data is disabled. After the connection with your client device is established, the setup page will automatically pop up. If the setup page doesn't pop up automatically, then you will need to launch a web browser and enter 192.168.0.254 or type RE.ROCKSPACE.LOCAL to get started, and in the password field type the word password. Now it will ask you to select the network name that you want to extend. So you will need to select your router's Wi-Fi SSID among the list. Next, you will need to type the password to confirm it. Now just follow the on-screen instructions and the setup will be done. Now let's learn how to relocate the Wi-Fi extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a new location about halfway between your router and the area with a poor Wi-Fi signal. The location that you choose must be within the range of your existing Wi-Fi router. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet and wait for the signal LED to turn light blue. If not, plug the extender into an outlet closer to the router and try again. Also, let's learn about how we can set up ROCKSPACE extender with WPS method. You can use this method if your router has a WPS button. So, place your extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router, plug the extender into an electrical outlet and wait for the power LED to turn blue. Now, press the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Wait until the signal LED on the extender turns solid blue. If the signal LED does not turn solid blue, try the browser setup instead. So it is that simple to set up ROCKSPACE AC1200 amplifier. In case you have questions, you can comment us down below. Moreover, you can also get in touch with official ROCKSPACE support on their website, that is rockspaceworld.com. Also, there are many copies of the original ROCKSPACE website, so make sure you don't end up with the imposters. Moreover, we do also provide independent support for all devices for very nominal fee. So you can get in touch with our chat support on our official website DEVICESSETUP.com to get any help for any device. If you find this video useful, then do kindly like and subscribe our channel to support us. Also, if you want video on any other topic, then do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.